these are super cool. Guess who makes go-karts?
I don't have a single clue.
Okay, Ninebot. Ninebot makes a go-kart. This is the Ninebot Go-Kart Pro. And
Segway?
yeah, they bought Segway. So it is a drift monster, and we got 4 of them. It's got like these super kind of slick back tires and then like grippier front ones. It's actually powered by the rear wheel drive, 4 different modes. So it'll do up to 23 miles an hour in race mode. And what was the other? Aerodynamic rear wing. Okay, that's not much of a feature. And then it actually converts into, where is it? You can pull out the drive unit at the back, and it converts into, what is it called? Like an S something or other?
S?
Yeah.
I think it's Ninebot S.
Yeah, one of these things. It's crazy. This thing is crazy. So I brought it home for my kids to try. And to be clear, I don't recommend this. This will not be in the email.
In the email?
Or in the email, in the video about it. But this is so funny, okay? So this is me ripping down our street with my daughter in my lap. Hold on a second. Why is my auto rotate not on? Because I'm some kind of monster, I guess. Hold on. Okay. Let's see if you guys can hear this. Why is this?
Wow, that drift is awesome.
Why does it not default to have audio? I kind of hate this thing. Okay, so we're ripping.
Is it lagging?
Man, the expression on her face when we were just like ripping down the street, man, there's not many sounds that are more pure joy than a little kid going fast. And probably the cutest thing about it was at each speed, I would take her and she'd be like, go as fast as we can. We'd rip down in a straight line. And then I'd get back and I'd be like, can I tell you a secret? And she goes, yeah. And I go, it goes faster. And she's like, and she'll laugh. She'll be like, can we do it? I'm like, okay. And then we'd rip and it'd be like, was that fun? And she'd be like, yeah. And I'd be like, let me tell you a secret. Okay. It goes faster. And she just laugh like that. It's so funny. Man, little kids, man. It's I'm not gonna try and sell you on it because I know you got your thing, but I'm into it. Hold on, this is I think I have one of those here. Oh, why is the sound off? I hate you so much. Okay.
Linus, say cheese.
Oh. Oh, no, never mind. I think we didn't catch that. Anyway, it was super funny. So yeah, super cool. We're going to have a short circuit coming where we rip around in the parking lot. And the thing is, guys, I actually wanted to talk to the community about this because I don't know exactly what to do with it. Like, would you guys watch a review of a go-kart? Like, we could have Alex and Jake give their thoughts, like they know what's up.
Yeah. Yeah. You could go way over the top and like benchmark it.
I mean, we could.
I don't know if you could find one weak enough. Maybe you could, but like you could like dyno it.
Man, I don't even know if you could dyno it, but we could definitely do 0 to 60. Well, I mean, it doesn't do 60. It maxes out at like 37 kilometers an hour.
0 to 35.
Yeah, 0 to 20 miles an hour or whatever. Like, it really has some kick off the line. It does about 1 G of acceleration according to the spec sheet. But we could verify that, obviously. Andy is actually really good. Like, when we went to the local indoor go-karting place, he was like, him and Alex just put the rest of us to absolute shame. Okay, YouTube chat is pretty much unanimous here. They're like, yes, do it like a car review.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a possibility. We could go totally over the top and we have 4 of them.
I wonder if you could convince like a local go-kart place to let you like pit it against theirs.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe our best
Go like
driver against
traditional. Yeah,
your
yeah.
best driver. Interesting. Okay, you know what? Yeah, we'll consider it. We're definitely going to do the short circuit. We could do a channel super fun or something like that. That'd be pretty cool. But otherwise, maybe we actually do it in the style of our car reviews or something like that. The challenge with that though is we have a lot of cars lined up. We're supposed to be doing one every 2 months. That's our target, which we obviously haven't done so far this year. We haven't shot anything yet this year, but we've got a ton of stuff lined up. I think the next one's going to be the Taycan, and from there it's going to be like one after another after another after another. There's so many electric cars coming out right now. Livin says it would get roasted by a 2-stroke kart. I mean, it depends. Maybe in a straight line. But remember, this is electric, son. Like when you're coming out of a corner, this is not...
And there's a lot of that on go-kart tracks.
Yes, that's basically how a go-kart track works. So I don't know. You might not actually be right about that.
And
Now,
if not, that's still an interesting story. Like it doesn't have to win for it to be an interesting story.
yeah.